Hi boys and girls, Miss Frank here to do our daily calendar review. I'm so excited. All right, now let's see if we can find out the core. All right, so here I'm going to click on the 5th, which is today. It's repeating. So that means that our pattern is going to be sun, sun, flower, flower, which means it is an A, B, B pattern. So I'm going to go ahead and put a box around my core so I know that that is going to be my core right there. And parents, a core of a pattern is the part of the pattern that repeats every single time. So here we have A, B, B, and again, it will just keep, it's what keeps repeating. All right, so let's go ahead and get going on our days of the week. So we know that today is Tuesday. All right, so today is Tuesday, May 5th, 2020. So let's say that together. Today is Tuesday, May 5th, 2020. All right, so let's talk about what yesterday was. Today is Tuesday. Yesterday was Monday. Good. And if today is Tuesday, what is tomorrow going to be? Wednesday. It's going to be Wednesday. All right, so yesterday was Yesterday was Monday. Today is Tuesday, and tomorrow is going to be Wednesday. So if today is the 5th, what's the day before? The 4th, and the day after? The 6th. Excellent. All right, so I am ready for my spiral review. And today you're going to create an ABC pattern. You've got this. All right, boys and girls, if you haven't had a chance to finish it, that is A-okay. Just go ahead and press pause so you can do that now. So today I'm going to use shapes to create my ABC pattern. So if I have A, B, C, I need 3 different shapes. So here I'm going to create my A, my B, and my C. Okay, so then I'd go back to the start and I'd go back with A, and oops, and then B, and then C. All right, so I have A, B, C, and here, right here is my core. Okay, so I have square, triangle, hexagon. Right, yeah, square, triangle, hexagon. All right, our next question today is another number bond. So what is the missing part? 2 and what is 3? You can just get that number down. All right, so if I have 2 and how many more do I have to add to get 3? 1 more. So 2 and 1 is 3. Next question, what is 1 less than 6? 6. Take 1 away. 5. Good stuff. All right. And my last question of the day, count by tens. All right. So we know that these number rods are worth 10. So if I look 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. But it would take me a long time to count each one. So you know what I'm going to do is I'm going to count each one of these by 10. So 10. How many did you count? Write that number down. You've got it. All right, let's do it together. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. 50. No way, Jose. So I write a 50. So I have to write a 5 first and then a 0. All right, boys and girls, that is the end of our calendar lesson for today. I hope you have a great day. I love you so much. I miss you. Have a good one.